Ah, she's cool. Wait, what's that? What the heck? Who did this? You! I can't, don't want it. I look like this, though!
Seems fitting for you, though. I figured you might be into
What does that mean? What's that supposed to mean?
I'm just having fun. I forgot you hate fun.
I don't want to wear this!
I have never seen you this upset about something.
I'm gonna kill you when this is over.
Let's see what you're made of.
Shut up! Don't worry. I think you look good. I don't want to hear that! I want you dead! Guess there's no more ball. We're done.
What? Hey!
I'm not doing this anymore.
Can't believe I hit it right to her. I'm supposed to be better than that. Sorry. I should be a better sport. I don't know. I don't want to be a jerk or anything. Maybe. Who knows?
Kane, we need a ball here. Jax, we have ball now. What are you doing?
See ya. Whoops, I missed. Oh darn, I'm out. Oh, you know it. Oh look, Gangle's up to bat. How do you think this is gonna go?
Would you stop trying to force her to act like
Oh
you?
yeah, I should force her to be happy all the time instead, right?
Well, it's better than turning her into some insensitive jerks who deflects everything.
Hey, I ain't forcing anything on ya.
And then you just act like you never do anything wrong. And everybody loves you. And in reality, you just everything up for everyone else. What? You're the one who said it's fine to be a jerk sometimes. Ugh. I'm sorry, Pomni. That wasn't very cool of me.
No apologies from me? This is so sad.
I'm sorry, Jax. For bringing up that thing earlier.
I'm in a maid outfit, what do you think?